In this video, I'll show you how to install and use mods in Resident Evil 3. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the fluffy mod manager and select WinRAR and select extract to. Once extract done, right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop this extracted folder inside the game folder. Now right click on this reframework and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Drag and drop this then put 8.dll inside the game folder. Once this done, open the fluffy mod manager folder. Open the mod manager.exe. Choose game, scroll down and select the Resident Evil 3 Remake. Choose game folder. Select choose games install folder. Navigate to the game folder and select folder option. Select OK. Select this mod list. Now check my video description for this mod list. Make sure you download the mod that supports RTX version. In mod name, you can able to see RTX. This mod supports RTX version and non-RTX version of game. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna install this mod. Once you downloaded the mod, go to downloads, drag and drop the mod zip inside this mod manager. Select the gel and turn on the outfit. Go back to mod list. You can install any mods like this, but make sure to turn on the mod in this mod list. Launch the game. Once you are in game, you need to manually enable the dress. Press escape key and go to costumes, Jill, and the costume doesn't appear. So select the default option, press escape key, and the costume change as you can see. And that's how you can install mods in Resident Evil 3. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.